Control A. Okay, now I get effects and top ribbon.
Oh, wait.
You're
Control A.
fucking up. Effect button.
Control
How do you do this?
A.
Can you just leave this up?
Effects on the
So I
top
have to
ribbon.
start from the beginning?
Effects. Where's your phone?
I'm not seeing it. Oh, I thought effects started with A.
Search. Oh my god. Amplitude and compression. Normalize. Aren't you? Good job, Morgan.
Audio audition.
Yes.
How far is
Right there.
How did you get to this?
What?
Oh,
Okay. And press Control A.
Effects. Effects is gone.
No, it's not. It's up there.
Normalize.
Yep.
Uh,
Oh no, now you're on noise reduction.
Noise reduction.
Right.
Capture noise.
Audio.
Effects. Noise.
Why do you not read?
Do I capture noise print?
I don't know.
Crickets.
Just click the effects.
Noise reduction. No, I just hit noise reduction again.
Mm.
Sure. Yeah. Apply. Oh wait. And then see, click effects at the top ribbon again. And then click single band compression.
Single bang. I'm not seeing that says single.
Just like highlight the little pieces. Okay. You're done. We're done. We're done. Like all that. Good job, Morgan. Okay. Right click. Suggest. No, with you. Don't. I'm not doing your
Just with this class.
No, with the other side. Like, try it to select.
It's okay.
No, I got a darker illumination.
There you go.
Deep medium.
You got spray paint?
No, I got a different Rumi lotion. A darker one. Because normally I use the 903. Got 904.
Okay.
Well, it took me 30 minutes to get the
Didn't they
thing.
get like $20 now?
I know.
It's like 12. Wait.
Well, you have to wait for them to come and unlock the thing. It takes a while.
Avery. Log it in though.
Oh no. Joey, you screw somebody out if you found your.
If I find my car because they don't take Apple Pay and they're catching on to me.
Are you still running that?
Yes. This is my favorite puppy.
Control A.
Well, give me a sec. I'm turning in your work.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch that attitude. Little girl.
I had a very dry conversation last night. Every time I text you, yes.
Was that work?
Done.
Last night?
What time was it?
Yeah.
Any
That took me
I'm sorry. Yesterday I was not in a good mood.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you felt very dry.
Yeah.